Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to talk how to Procreate 5x Part 1, getting started with canvas, brush, and color. Let's open Procreate. Okay, this is gallery page. In this page you can see all of your drawing. Try to slide over your drawing. There, you can find share, duplicate, and delete menu. You can share your drawing like this, or duplicate your drawing, or delete it. On the top right corner of the screen, you can find Select, Import, Photo, and Add New Canvas. Import menu function is to import your picture file into Procreate. Photo menu function is to import your photo into Procreate. Tap Select menu. In this state you can select multiple items and stack, preview, share, duplicate, or delete. Let's stack them. Don't forget to rename your stack. Let's unstack them. Hold your selected drawings and bring them outside stack. Tap this plus menu. With this you can create new canvas for drawing. You can see a lot of available size. Or you can create your own custom canvas here. Define the dimensions of width and height. Then you can define custom DPI too. Give your custom canvas name. On the left side, you can define your canvas color profile, time-lapse setting, and canvas properties. Tap Create and Ready to Draw. On the top left of the screen, this is Actions, Adjustments, Selections, Transform, Brush, Smudge, Erase, Layers, Color, Brush Size, Brush Opacity. Pick the brush. I am going to use Technical Pen Brush. If you tap the brush, you can edit the brush setting. Let's see the color. You can pick the color using many ways: Disc, Classic, Harmony, Value, Palette. You can create your new palette here. Let's add color to your new color palette here. Pick your color and tap here. Pick another color and tap. You can move it like this. Tap the color like this to delete or set new color. Create new palette by taking a photo from your camera. Create new palette from File or Photos. Pick the brush and color. Draw a circle, and hold then tap on the screen to make a perfect circle. Another way to create a perfect circle, on the top, tap the circle menu, and you can move the circle like this. This bar right here is to resize the brush size. Let's play around with it. This is to control the opacity. Tap using 2 fingers to undo your work. Tap using 3 fingers to redo your work. Draw a line and hold to create a straight line. Draw a square and hold then tap on the screen to create a square. Or you can choose the options on top of the screen. This one is Resize Brush. You can erase your drawing using brush with pattern to create some effects. Draw a circle. Then drag and drop the color, to fill up the circle. Drag it to left or right to control the threshold. Use smudge brush, if you want to smooth the color gradation. I think that's all for the part 1, thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and leave comments below.